Sunday the 19th of January, I said it last time, July 2020. It's quite late. We've drove back down from Scotland, but I didn't bother filming that one because you've already seen me drive up to Scotland, so there's no point in seeing us drive back down again. So I didn't. And then we've both had a little bit of a nap, a little granny nap. A nana nap, yeah, as Emma says. And I've decided to fetch out back next to the airport, but a different nature reserve. This one's called Havanna 3 Hills Nature Reserve. So we're going to have a little look around here. We've just come from that way. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 paths to choose. When we came in, we looked at the map. This little scroll shows where we are. That's where we came in, that car park. The squirrel was there. Now we've walked one of these, the squirrel hasn't moved. It's the same map that was up there. Tell us which way to go. Emma chose this way. Emma said, this is the way to go, so this is the way we're going. If we get lost, her fault. It's a really nice woods because I haven't done too much with the paths, so it feels like you're actually in the woods and not just on like a concrete or tarmac asphalt type path. So I quite like this actually. And we found a wooden boardwalk. I hope it's rickety. Oh, they fixed the rickety bits. I guess water comes down here when the heavy rains come. We're on safari.
The savannah.
The savannah. I wonder what kind of creature makes these footprints. Look at these footprints. Please tell me this isn't the pond I've been looking for, Emma. Yeah. Well, it's a good job there was no crocodiles in there, mind our hippos. I think we're having a bit of a drought, because that's one of the ponds I wanted to see too. Uh-oh. Oh, and there's another one of the ponds. Nope, no hippos. No, what did I say before? Crocodiles. Apparently this is the Havanna butterfly and moth heathland. So they've planted all this for the butterflies and moths, and can't find them either. So we couldn't find the red squirrels and the the red squirrel bit, and we can't find the butterflies and moths, and we can't find the water or the crocodiles and hippos. There's lots of animal tracks. Look at all the animal tracks. Where's the crocodile? Imagine if there was. Can you imagine if the water splashed right now? I wouldn't know how fast to get out of here. So we found one pond. Cool. Next. Wildlife. 1 week into expedition across the Serengeti Plains, and so far we've seen a bird. We're off the Serengeti Plains now. It only took 2 weeks, and now we're into the marshlands and more boardwalk. Well, we found civilization. We're on a main path after 2.5 weeks trek through Africa. We found some locals. I'm not sure if they're cannibals, but they're following us. Help! I think they noticed us because when I turned around there they were gone, so I don't know if you saw them, but I think we're being headed off. There's more locals. Cool looking tree. We've decided to cheat because Gypsy's getting a bit tired because obviously she's pregnant. So to cut the expedition short, we're heading on the main road rather than the nice one that went right the way through the trees before. And we're heading back to the car, and we're going to jump in the car and drive up to the other end of Havanna, because there's another pond that we've seen on Google Maps and a circle thing. We just don't even know what that circle thing is. Could be something, could be nothing, but we're going to go and have a look anyways. But we were literally only a third of the way through the woods, and the rest of the way, the other 2/3 was literally just walking down a path like this with nothing else to see. So we decided to come this way, jump in the car and do the shortcut. So yeah, we've cheated and drove the other side of the path like I said we were going to do, because part is just filming and walk through all those trees and getting too tired for Gypsy. Not for me. I would have done it. And here's another pond. I wouldn't like to go for a swim, to be honest. Emma, is that hippo poo?
Maybe.
Look out for the hippos. Emma found that circle thing on the map. It's just there, but I don't think it's anything. So there you have it, Havanna, Three Hills Nature Reserve next to Newcastle Airport. It's a really nice walk. We only done probably not even half of it. It does go on for quite a while, so obviously if you walk... Oh. Bunny rabbit! We've seen an animal. So if you're going to do it, be prepared to walk quite a way, because obviously if you've walked all the way down to here, you'll have to turn around and go all the way back again, because the car parks are at both ends. So yeah, tell your family, tell your friends, like it, share it, hit the bell. And I'll see you all tomorrow, because I'm about to have some Chinese food now. Now it's time to do your job.